you must not be knowing how to make tea, na? I am damn sure you don't know how to make a tea, so I thought I'll tell you how to make tea. You also don't know how to make coffee. I thought I'll tell you how to make coffee. So yeah, so I thought I'll tell you a lot about finally acting. The life is lifing, life is flying, life is taking turns, life is taking twists, and here I am. Of that, I've been diagnosed with something. I'm not talking about uh, what I have been diagnosed with, but yeah, it's a situation that yeah, earlier I used to create resistance, lot of resistance. Maybe big shift in your body, like acceptance. Zen Buddha is accepting everything. That's hello friends and welcome back to अपराजिता टेल ब्लॉग्स. और समय कुछ हो रहा है, इस टाइम बज रहे हैं 5:10 और रेडी हूँ मैं अपनी कन्वर्सेशंस के साथ, चिट चैट के साथ. See, my Buddha is so happy and peaceful, and yeah, that aroma light, aroma diffuser is giving a nice smell, making me feel so nice and lovely. And here I am talking to you all. So yeah, आज की चाय मेरी रेडी है और मैं चाय के साथ बैठ रही हूँ आप लोगों के साथ बात करने के लिए एंड चिट चैट करने के लिए. टू बिगिन विद, so let me fix the camera first and then we can talk. Just a minute. Yes, so let me put my chai here. Yes, so मेरी चाय भी रेडी है. मैं काफ़ी देर से प्लान आउट कर रही थी अपनी चाय को पीने का, बट बिफोर दैट आई थॉट लेट मी टॉक टू यू ऑल. सो टू बिगिन विथ, क्या चल रहा है मेरी लाइफ में? लाइफ इज लाइफिंग लाइक एनीथिंग, और या लाइफ इज लाइफिंग. नाउ यू विल से व्हाट इज दिस लाइफ इज लाइफिंग? लाइफ की तरह चल रही है, लाइफिंग कर रही है. So these days I've been working a bit more on laptop, and also screen time थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है. नहीं, इंटेंशनली नहीं कर रही थी, स्क्रीन टाइम थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज वर्किंग अ लॉट ऑन माय laptop. As a reason of that, I've been diagnosed with something. I'm not talking about what I have been diagnosed with, but yeah, it's a situation that arises when you are using too much of your laptop. Not only laptop, when your screen time is very high, and आज के टाइम में it's very difficult कि आप ये वाला पार्ट अवॉइड कर पाओगे जिस टाइप की लाइफस्टाइल में आप रह रहे हो. इट्स रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट जहाँ पे आप लिटरली ये चीज़ कर पाओगे कि यू जस्ट डिक्रीज द स्क्रीन टाइम और यू डिक्रीज योर वर्क. वो बढ़ने ही वाला है. तो फंडामेंटली इट्स अ लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर, आई वुड से. सो this is the first time I am coming across something as lifestyle disorder, part and parcel. That's why I said life is lifing. It's lifing like anything. Yeah, and as I am growing up, I am realizing it's lifing more and more twist and turn. I never planned for this. मैंने कभी प्लान आउट नहीं किया था इस चीज़ के लिए. हो गया तो अब क्या करें? क्या कर लोगे इसके लिए? सो कुछ नहीं. सो थोड़े बहुत लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, एडजस्टमेंट करने पड़ेंगे, एंड या हैव टू वर्क अ बिट ऑन टू माई पोस्चर, ऑन टू हाउ आई सिट एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. सो हैव टू बी मोर कॉशियस. सो यस, एज के साथ ये सारी चीज़ें होती रहती हैं. लाइफिंग करती रहेगी. Circling, it's lifing, it's doing what it is supposed to do. So that's the recent update. So yeah, I was taking a bit of a break from all those things, but इतना possible नहीं है. आप इतना ही इन सब चीज़ों से इतना break कहाँ ही ले पाओगे. But anyhow, so life is lifing, and I am just trying to get to a point where I'm like, okay, I can manage this. Okay, I can handle this part of stress. Okay, I can handle this. Of course I can handle this. Yeah, it's a bit difficult at time initially. Anything which comes as a part of lifing as such, it is a bit difficult to accept. But we do get an opportunity to accept it fully feeling what has come, and then from there, when you have got that acceptance and feeling, then you can move on and give it a direction, how exactly that you want to take this stuff ahead. So I have also got that acceptance, but yeah, with age I am realizing that life is lifing, will keep on happening more and more and I can't do much about it. I just made a nice cup of tea with lot of adrak. Weather is changing, you might have seen that, of course उतना drastically नहीं पड़ रहा है, but हल्का हल्का आपको वो सर्दी वाली फीलिंग आनी शुरू हो गई होगी. सो हाँ, वो सर्दी वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी, गर्मी भी लग रही है उसके साथ. पंखा बंद किया है मैंने बिकॉज इट वॉज डिस्टर्बिंग माई वीडियो मेकिंग प्रोसेस. तो पंखा मैंने भी बंद किया. एसी आई एम नॉट स्विचिंग ऑन बिकॉज एसी नहीं चलाना है ना इस टाइम पे. इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली 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 वेरी हॉट फॉर यू. Not for you, for me it will be really very not hot, it will be very like really very cold in this weather to have AC on. So I just switched off the fan. I was feeling fine, but since I had a lot of like chai with adrak and lot of garam masala, not even garam masala, chai masala, I got it and then I put it. So it was just feeling nice to have that nice lovely tea with that life is lifing, life is leviating, the life is lifing, life is flying, life is taking turns, life is taking twists, and here I am all in my what should I say, the Zen Buddha mode, all acceptance for everything that's coming in my life with all my heart open. So I've opened my heart for everything that comes. Yeah, earlier I used to create resistance, lot of resistance. मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ ये, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. Now I am all open with my heart. This is part of my spiritual journey. Zen Buddha within me talks a lot. So that Zen Buddha mode I have come in, and I am accepting life it is. So life is lifing. The usual stuff that has happened with the screen time and everything. I have to work on my posture a bit more, especially onto the neck area. I have to work a bit more. That's what has been suggested. And yeah, a cup of tea in the evening. And you tell, how is your life lifing? Have you got acceptance that whatever is coming is just to be an acceptable mode, no resistance to it. It's just Zen Buddha acceptance mode. I am here accepting it all in all the ways I could. Yeah, you should bring that energetic shift in your body, like acceptance. Zen Buddha is accepting everything. That's how you should do it. And yeah, I thought, what should I put across in my channel? So I thought I'll tell you how to make tea. You must not be knowing how to make tea, na? I am damn sure you don't know how to make a tea. So I thought I'll tell you how to make tea. You also don't know how to make coffee. I thought I'll tell you how to make coffee. Of course you don't know how to make coffee. I also thought that you don't know how to boil water. So I thought I'll tell you how to boil water. It's all scientific. It's all like science coming in, and you don't know scientific things. So I thought I'll tell you, since I am thinking of leveraging my channel to a different dimension. So I thought I'll tell you with the basics of science, how to make tea, how to make coffee. So in coffee you have to do, you need to have powder, coffee powder, right? You don't need to have beans. No, I'm not going to tell you how to make a coffee with beans. That's too much beyond my status. I'll just tell you how to make coffee like with that powder. And when you talk about powder, I'm specifically talking about, you take some Nescafe, any brand, whichever brand you like, you just buy the coffee powder, you boil the water. And I'm telling you black coffee because in milk there are a number of ratios. So it becomes latte, it becomes cappuccino, it becomes latte, cappuccino, frappe, lot of other stuff. So I'll tell you black coffee, basic and bare minimum. You have to boil water, you have to put coffee powder, mix it up, it's ready. See, I told you I can have my own cookery show, telling you how to learn about the basics of science with how to make coffee, how to make tea, how to boil water. But I think everyone is doing that, so I should not do it. So yeah, so I thought I'll tell you a lot about finance. Of course I know about finance. I know how you're supposed to do RD. I know how you are supposed to do FD. I know how you can put it in some mutual funds, which I know bare minimum, but still I can teach you. I can be a good vlogger on investment, and then I can make a lot of money from there because I'll teach you how to invest, and that will be a good way to begin with. But I think that you can do yourself much better than me. You don't need my help, isn't it? So yeah, we will skip that part. So we'll come back again to where I started. I am better talking on life is lifing stuff than any other stuff. And ये मेरे घर के आसपास कंस्ट्रक्शन, जब मैं वीडियो बनाने बैठती हूँ, कंस्ट्रक्शन की आवाज़ आपको इस स्पीड में सुनाई देगी कि आपको पता चल जाएगा मेरे घर के अगल बगल कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं. मुझे तो ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है अक्रॉस इंडिया सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्शन ही चल रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. तो जो अपने घर में बैठ के कुछ काम भी करना चाहते हैं, बोलना भी चाहते हैं, बात करना चाहते हैं, वो भी डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं इस कंस्ट्रक्शन से, जैसे कि मैं डिस्टर्ब हो रही हूँ. सो मैं अपनी वीडियो को यहीं पे रोकती हूँ. ऑन लाइफ इज लाइफिंग, लाइफ इज सर्कलिंग, लाइफ इज लेविएटिंग, लाइफ इज फ्लाइंग. But still, acceptance and Buddha mode, accepting it all, and there it goes. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tale. You want to learn cookery? Come back to my channel. You want to learn investment? Come back to my channel. But I am good at only one thing, which is like talking completely out of tangent, which makes sense to you, it makes sense to me. So we'll stop at that. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tale vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe. खाना नहीं बनाना सिखा रही हूँ. अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं सिखा रही हूँ, इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि आप मेरा चैनल देखोगे नहीं, लाइक भी नहीं करोगे, कमेंट भी नहीं करोगे, सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं करोगे. प्लीज कर लो, प्लीज कर दो. Please do that if you like my content and you feel like there is a tinge of humor that I have added with my content. Thank you so very much.